main organ of the plants are the seeds and the plasma membranes. Oil-eating plants contain more lipids, and other seed cotyledons also store the lipids. Next one is where write the main groups of the lipids. Main constituent of the lipids are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. CHO are the main group. Next one is glycerol and fatty acid condensation for lipids. What is the name of another compound is synthesized at the end of the reaction? The answer is the water. Fourth one is what are the saturated fatty acid and their sources? Fatty acids are saturated fatty acids are single bond long chain hydrocarbons, and their main sources are animal products, ghee, butter, etc. Next question is what are the unsaturated fatty acids? These are double bond containing fatty acids, and their sources are the plant lipids, oil, or the lipids those remain liquid at the room temperature. Next one is write the name of enzyme involved in the synthesis of fats. There are two main enzymes involved in the synthesis. One is acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase, and second one is fatty acid synthetase. Next question is write the physical properties of the fatty acids. So their state is liquid at room temperature, they are creamy in color, and they are the bad insulator of the electricity. They have the high melting point, and like this. The next question is name the enzymes involved in the hydrolysis of fatty acids. There are two main enzymes carrying the proteins, acetyl coenzyme A, and second one is malonyl coenzyme A. By the condensation of these two enzymes in the presence of sulfur, acetyl carrier protein, it becomes the acetoacetyl coenzyme A. So these are the two main examples, or you can say these are the two main enzymes involved in the synthesis of fatty acids, or you can say the initiation of the fatty acid synthesis occurs when these two enzymes are present. Next one is write the name of the enzyme involved in the hydrolysis of fatty acids. So the example of this enzyme is the lipase. Okay, you know the lipids are digested or break down by the activity of the lipase enzyme. Next one is what is the hydrogenation and its end product? Hydrogenation is the process by which the hydrogen gas is added to the unsaturated fatty acids, and they become saturated fatty acids, convert into saturated fatty acids. So you can write it as the production of saturated fatty acids from the unsaturated fatty acids by the hydrogenation, by the addition of hydrogen gas, or the oily fats convert into the solid state fat, that is saturated fatty acid. Next one is write the biological significance of the fat. There are so many biological importance of the fats, as they are the good source of energy. You know, fats are the richest source of the energy, but slower source. They provide slower energy. Energy comes due to the oxidation of the lipids. Second one is the lipids are the main component of the cell membranes, or whether it is the cell membrane of animal or plants. Lipids are the major constituent of the membrane in which the lipid proteins are floats. So the main composition of the cell membrane is lipid, and the lipids are also very useful to maintain the blood cholesterol. You know, when the level of cholesterol goes down, intake of extra lipid or fatty acid